Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get more credits on Openart. We'll walk through exactly where to go and what to click, so you can quickly find the options that increase your credit balance, plus a few tips for choosing the plan that fits your needs. This is especially helpful if you're generating a lot of AI images, testing different styles, creating content for clients, or just experimenting with new ideas and running out of credits faster than expected. First, open the Openart site and head to the main suite homepage. This is your starting point. Make sure you're on the homepage where the navigation bar is visible, because that's where the upgrade controls live. Once you're there, take a moment to glance around so you know where everything is. This will make the next steps faster, especially if you're new to Openart, or if the layout looks slightly different because of updates. The main thing is to stay on the page where you can clearly see your account options and the top navigation area. Next, look to the top right and click Upgrade. This button takes you straight to the page that outlines the available options for getting more credits. If the upgrade page loads in a modal or dedicated screen, give it a second to populate so you can see all the plans and their details clearly. Don't rush this part, because the upgrade page usually shows the most important information, like credit limits, plan names, pricing options, and any extra features that come with each plan. On the upgrade screen, you'll see billing choices. Click Monthly to view the month-to-month pricing and the number of credits included on that cycle. This is useful if you prefer flexibility or want to try a plan without a long commitment. Take note of how many credits you get each month, and any mentions of usage, caps, or included features listed on the page. Monthly is a good option if you're still testing Openart, working on a short-term project, or you only need extra credits for a limited time. Now click Annually to switch the view to yearly billing. This lets you compare the annual cost, and in many cases, see if there's a discounted rate compared to paying monthly. Even if you're not ready to commit annually, it's helpful to see the credit-to-cost ratio side by side, so you can judge overall value. For example, if you already know you'll use Openart every week for content creation, product mockups, thumbnails, or design ideas, the annual option may make more sense because it can offer better long-term value. As you browse, you'll see the plan tiers. Essential is typically the entry-level option, designed to boost your credits without going overboard. Read the description right on the page for the exact credit amount and any noted benefits. If you only need a modest bump in credits, this is often the most straightforward choice. This plan can be a good fit for casual users, beginners, or anyone who just wants more room to create without moving into a higher tier right away. Advanced usually steps things up for more frequent creators. Again, check the on-page details to confirm how many credits you receive and whether there are extras that matter to you, like faster generation or expanded features, if listed. This can be useful if you create AI images regularly for social media, YouTube thumbnails, ads, concept art, or client work. The key is to think about how often you generate images and whether the extra credits will actually save you time. Infinite appears as a higher capacity tier for heavy or consistent use. Review the specifics provided to understand how credits scale here and whether the plan aligns with your workload. This kind of plan is usually better for people who need a lot of generations, test many prompt variations, or work on larger creative projects. If you're constantly running out of credits, this may be the type of plan worth comparing more carefully. Finally, there's Wonder. Use the plan card's description to understand what distinguishes it, including credits and any premium perks shown. Compare what you see across all tiers, using the monthly and annually views to weigh flexibility against potential savings. Before choosing, think about your real use case. Are you making a few images for fun, creating content for a brand, building design concepts, or producing work for clients? That answer will help you pick the plan that gives you enough credits without paying for more than you need. That's it. By navigating to Upgrade, checking monthly and annually, and reviewing Essential, Advanced, Infinite, and Wonder, you'll be set to choose the best way to get more credits on Openart. Take a minute to compare the credit amount, price, billing cycle, and included features before upgrading, so you can choose the option that fits your creative workflow best.